Good morning everyone! In today's video is ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ako gumawa ng sinuglaw. Sa Bisaya is it means sinugba and kinilaw mixed into one. So ang ingredients natin ngayon is just vinegar, and then I just added a little bit of rice vinegar just to add a little bit of sweetness kasi medyo masarap siya pag hindi lang salty, di ba? And then I have cucumber, lemon, and then ginamit kong fish dito is tuna. And then meron akong pork belly na i-grill natin. Meron din tayong green chili, red chilies for spicy. And then ang first nating ginawa is nag-ihaw tayo ng ating pork belly na medyo nilagyan natin ng salt and pepper. Very simple lang. So after nating maihaw yung ating pork belly is atin itong hihiwain na. And then i-chop mo lang siya. And then magsa-start na tayong magsiso ng ating fish using our vinegar and then salt. And then hiwa-hiwain mo lang siya. And then after that, pag medyo okay na yung seasoning na, is isusunod na natin yung ating cucumber and then pork. And then i-mix-mix mo lang yan. And then normally sa amin, pag kinakain namin to is meron kaming, alam mo yung nilagang kamote or banana or kamuting kahoy. Masarap siyang i-pair doon. Or kung wala naman, is okay naman yung rice, right? So rice is life. Mas masarap naman yon. And then mas masarap to pag medyo maanghang. And then especially if you're using calamansi, which is medyo mahirap dito sa amin hanapin. Pero sometimes meron namang fresh, but mostly is lemon na lang yung aming ginagamit pag naggagawa kami ng kinilaw. Baka magtaka kayo kung bakit yung vinegar ko is ganun. Is ito lang yung typical vinegar na nabibili natin, yung mga dato puti, so kung Iloko. Kaso lang nag-add lang ako ng mga onions and ginger kasi yun yung sasawa namin. But yun na rin yung ginamit ko dito para extra flavor. Okay, sana i-try nyo rin. Goodbye. Please like and subscribe.